Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, December 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the pound yen, I still think this is likely a 1, 2, 3. I think we're likely in a wave 4 right now. It should make 3 waves down. And then I think we're going to go up and make a wave 5 to complete what I think is a very clear uptrend on the monthly time frame. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this looks like an A, a B, and we're likely in a wave C of wave 4 already. So taking it down to the daily time frame, on the daily we are definitely going up on the daily pretty strong. I mean the trend is definitely down on the daily, but this move up right here very easily could end up being a crescent to this move down. So pay very close attention to your Fibonacci levels for a possible reversal back to the downside. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now we do have a break to the upside on the 4 hour, so the trend is up on the 4 hour. But every single higher time frame, the trend is still down, which is why I say that this move up could very likely be a crescent to this move down. At this point, I would expect it to continue up. I mean, we're not at a Fibonacci level, so you definitely could be looking for longs on shorter time frames, but you need to be cautious. If you get some sort of a break of structure at a Fibonacci level, then you definitely want to stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely still be looking for longs. I definitely would not be looking to go long now. I would only be looking to go long at the end of 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks, which we've definitely had a quite a few of pretty nice little pullbacks over the last couple of weeks. So really the strategy right now is to either be holding on to a long, waiting for an exit, or waiting for like a Fibonacci bounce and a break of structure to the downside to actually start looking for shorts again in the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.